Polar Lander is the high-tech enterprises which specializes in design, development and produce electronic products.
This HUD is designed to reflect your vehicle's computer information onto your windshield, offering a safer driving experience day-to-day as well as, more importantly, at high speeds and during night driving, as it removes the need for the driver to dip their head to view the instrument cluster. Installing this unit correctly will enable you to more effectively monitor your speed. This is helpful for novice drivers as well as experienced drivers in potentially avoiding speeding infringements. Plug-and-play connectivity with any OBDII or EUOBD capable vehicle. Nano-technology to eliminate double reflections, more clear. Multicolor design makes the screen more abundant and easier to read. Rich contents: speed, RPM, water temperature, voltage, low voltage alarm, high water temperature alarm, overspeed alarm, fatigue driving alarm, freely switch between kilometers and miles.